In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any piece of text into a clickable email link. This is a handy skill to have, particularly if you want to make your emails or documents more interactive, ensuring recipients can reach out to you with just a simple click. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to select the text you wish to transform into a hyperlink. This could be something straightforward like "Contact us," or perhaps the actual email address itself. The key is to highlight that piece of text which you want to link to your email address. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, look towards the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. You're going to want to find and click on the Insert tab. It's typically nestled among other tabs such as Home and Layout, making it quite easy to locate. Next up, within the Insert tab, you'll notice an icon or option labeled as Link, or sometimes more specifically, Insert Link. Give that a click. This will prompt a dialog box to appear on your screen. In this dialog box, this is where we're going to input some essential information. In the field labeled either as Address or Enter Link, you're going to type out a special type of link. This starts with Mail To, followed directly by your email address. So, for example, if your email address was youremail@domain.com, you'd type out mail to youremail@domain.com. Just remember to replace youremail@domain.com with your actual email address. Now, you have an opportunity here to adjust how this link appears visually within your document. This is where the Display Text option comes into play. You can choose to update this so that the text reads exactly how you intend it to appear to others. Whether that's making it more descriptive or keeping it simple, the choice is yours. After you've entered all the necessary information and you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Insert, or whatever the equivalent option is if it's labeled differently on your platform. This step finalizes the process, and you'll notice that your previously selected text now acts as a clickable email link. To test this out, simply click on the hyperlink. You'll notice that your default email client will automatically open up with your email address pre-filled in the recipient's field. This makes it incredibly convenient for anyone trying to contact you. No need for them to copy and paste your email address. Just one click and they're ready to start typing their message. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clickable email link, making communication that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable tips like this one.